So in the previous video we did about the battery warranty. So this was actually 5-year free replacement. Now they change it to limited warranty, and what they're doing is the prorate they use. So a lot of people were attacking me saying that I should know how the warranty works, but now you can see clearly that they changed it, that it's a limited warranty versus the previous one that was saying free replacement. So you have to pay attention to when you get those battery, what they're actually saying on them. So now they all got changed and they all have the same thing that say limited warranty. So whatever they're doing right now is just giving you like a little bit of off the price. So if you have a battery that fell after a year, they're charging you, I think, every month like $4 or something like that. So you just have to calculate your battery price going down. Now the one I'm gonna need soon is one of those, for example. And this specific battery right now is $114, and then in California you have a core fee of $15, and then you're gonna have another battery fee of $2 because we're in California and they just up the price more. But whenever you get those batteries, what happens is there is no more replacement warranty, and they're telling you actually also you have to pay for the core. That this is I don't know if in every state, only in California, and then they're charging you another battery fee, $2. I don't know what is the $2 battery fee. Someone really need to start telling us where the money is going. But if you buy it like at the regular auto store, like like if you go into AutoZone or Pep Boys or O'Reilly, I think that they have a better warranty on them right now. And I will do, actually I'm gonna go there and check and see what they do regarding the warranty. But also when you get those things at Costco, your return on a battery, it's not like a regular return on Costco. You cannot just come and return it whenever you feel like it and get all your money back. So pay attention to that as well. So this is just update on this video we did a couple years ago. I know there was a big lawsuit against them for that, but this is what's going on with it. It's completely changed, and it also become to be very small. If you go and watch my other video, you see that this was much bigger. Now it's smaller than my nail. Literally where it say that, it's smaller than my nail. So if like you look at the battery from far, you're not even gonna see anything about the limited warranty. Pay attention, people.